Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Easy Formly Lectures. I am Ashik, I am from Tamil Nadu. Just 2 days before I started my lectures program in YouTube. So please do subscribe and follow our YouTube channel for the upcoming lectures. Okay guys, now we move on to the lectures. What we are going to do here is protein synthesis. Each and every cells has an nucleus. We have cells. The cells contains nucleus. What the nucleus actually contains? It contains genetic material called DNA, deoxyribonucleic acids. The cells multiplied by what means DNA, RNA replications. One cell is converted into lakhs of cells through this replication process, through this protein synthesis. So, how the protein synthesis performing? Okay guys, now we are seeing about how the protein synthesis happens. There are two main stages involving. The one is DNA is converted into mRNA, which is nothing but messenger RNA, and the mRNA is converted into protein. Some of the enzymes were involved during the process. There are two main processes involved. DNA is converted into messenger RNA by transcription process, and the messenger RNA is converted into protein by translation process. Okay, now we see about the transcription process. There are three stages involved in the transcription process. The one is initiation, the another one is elongation, and the final one is terminations. Okay, now see about initiation process. In our DNA contains gene. Each and every gene has an unique codons. In the gene, we contains promoter gene, which is initially presented in the gene in the tertiary portion. The promoter gene is split up. It's unwind the DNA by RNA polymerase enzyme. This unwinded DNA reads the DNA bases and it makes messenger RNA. Listen carefully. The RNA polymerase unwind the DNA and messenger RNA is produced. It reads the DNA bases. What is DNA bases? It's nothing but nucleotides. What it actually contains? Nucleotides contains phosphate, 5-carbon sugar, and a nitrogenous base. These are the basics involved in the DNA, and it is a double stranded. DNA is a double stranded molecule. Okay. Now see about elongation. In the elongation, addition of nucleotides to the mRNA strand. mRNA is a single stranded, while DNA is a double strand. From this double strand, mRNA is unwind and it produces a single strand. This process is through the initiation process. Next one is elongation. In the elongation, addition of nucleotides. As I already told, nucleotides is nothing but the phosphate, 5 carbon sugar and nitrogenous base. Okay. What happens in the termination? In the termination process, complete mRNA, a complete messenger RNA is produced. These are involved in the transcription process. Now, how the mRNA is converted into protein? Okay, how the mRNA, the messenger RNA, how it actually converted into protein? It's by translation process. There are 6 main processes involved in the translation process. The one is, after the completion of transcription process, the mRNA immediately leaves from the nucleus. It's a first process. What happens after the mRNA leaves from the nucleus? It moves to the ribosomes. We all know ribosomes present in the human cells. In the ribosomes, there are 2 types. The one is 30S ribosomes, the another one is 50S ribosomes. These 2 ribosomes play a crucial role. In the antibiotics, we all know ribosomes play a vital role. We will see it about later. Okay. First it moves to the the mRNA leaves the nucleus and then it moves to ribosomes. Next, it reads the sequence of codon in the messenger RNA. What happens after it reads? The transfer RNA brings the amino acids to the ribosomes. Once it reads the codon sequence, the transfer RNA brings the amino acids to the ribosomes. Once it brings the amino acids to the ribosomes, it bound to the mRNA and gives complete amino acids. We all know protein, it contains amino acids. Okay. Now ribosomal RNA. rRNA is involved. What is the role of ribosomal RNA? Which means it forms bond between amino acids in ribosomes. What it creates? What is the use of it? This is going to make a polypeptide chain. It's going to make a polypeptide chain. This polypeptide chain is nothing but protein. Through this process, protein synthesis is actually processing. Okay guys, now we all know about protein synthesis. In the upcoming lectures, we will see about the current COVID drug Remdesivir. Do subscribe and do follow our channel to continue for the upcoming lectures. Thank you.